Hi, buddy. You want to hear another story from the Syracuse Library? This one's called Count 1, 2, 3. Here, let's get me in it. Count 1, 2, 3 on the subway. By Paul DuBois Jacobs and Jennifer Swinder, illustrated by Dan Yaccarino. 1. MetroCard, Mama and Me. Down 2 flights to catch the 3. Look, they go down the flights because they're going to the subway. 4 turnstiles, singers 5. A rumble, a screech, the train arrives. You see the 5 singers? 6 empty seats, sit right down. 7 more stops, going uptown. Big Apple Subway, 8 cars long. 9 people off, 10 people on. Do you remember the plane train? It's just like a subway. 10 friends sway, boogie and bop. To a tunnel beat, here's our stop. I'm gonna have to pause this for a minute. I love you. And we're back. Thanks for being patient, buddy. All right, let's see, where were we? We had just gotten on the train, and we saw 10 friends sway, boogie and bop. To a tunnel beat, here's our stop. You see the person playing beats for everybody on the train car? Nine bright sides down. 9 bright signs. Down 8 stairs. Find the 7 at Times Square. 6 strap hangers stand their ground. 5 short minutes to cross town. 4 doors open, time to move. 3 drums thumping, a rush hour groove. A lot of buskers. Your mom knows about that. 2 escalators, up and down. We arrive from underground. You see them going up? 1 station, central and grand. Mama and me, hand in hand. Y'all are gonna have a lot of fun. You're gonna ride a lot of trains and subways together, guys. Let me tell you. I love you so much, Reed. You have a wonderful day.